Hi, good day everyone. We are Recycash. We connect communities, one recycle at a time. The scrap business industry plays a vital role in recycling and waste management. Many individuals want to do, but face inconvenience in recycling, thus leading to lack of motivation, awareness, and improper disposal of recyclable materials. Selling scraps can be a complex and time-consuming process, but we Recycash, we make it easy and efficient. Our platform is designed with user convenience in mind, providing a seamless and straightforward experience for individuals looking to sell their scrap materials. Scraps like plastic water bottles, paper bags, metal scraps, and electronic waste. Our goal is to connect you with local junk shops in your area. Book your appointment, connect, and earn money. Our strategy includes focused marketing efforts, sustained partnership with junk shops and key stakeholders. By partnering with these businesses, we provide users with a convenient way to find buyers for their scraps. This network not only expands in options available to sellers but also increases competition, which can lead to better prices for the scrap materials. Revenues will come for every 10% from every transaction fees and advertising facilitated through our platform. And for introducing our team, we have Sadika Dayong, a full stack web developer, and Ronan Clemente Baje for UI UX designer and business analyst, and Michael John De Devas for public speaker and systems analyst, and lastly me, Ismaila Muljan, as a full stack developer and a business analyst. Thank you everyone.